Hey, welcome back, scholars. Hope it was pretty fun filling in the blank. First question I'm going to ask, and I'm going to wait for the answer, is what is 7 times 8? Pausing in 3, 2, 1, pause. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Love seeing those answers in the chat. Thank you, guys. Hey, let's go on to the answer sheet. Answer 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 80. Ooh, what happens? It is 56, but we add what? 1 0. So we know what 7 times 8 is. That's 56. How many zeros do we have there? 70 times 80. It becomes 5,600 or 5,600. Here's a different way of getting that same answer. 7 times 800. 7 times 8 is 56. And then I have 2 zeros to make 100. So that gives me 5,600. Now we're down to 70 times 8. And that answer is 560. 8 times 7 is 56. And so on down the line. Here are all the answers that you needed. Hopefully you're doing well. Now we're going to use those skills with what we're going to be doing today. Oh, but first, I'm going to pause the video so that you can go ahead and give us the objective. Pausing in 3, 2, 1, pause. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Love hearing those loud voices and you being such leaders and volunteering in class. Scholars will be able to use the place value to understand how base 10 units from 1 millions to thousands are multiplied and divided using the power of 10. Numbers such as tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So let's go ahead and look at the first vocabulary. We're going to be able to use the aerial model, the rectangular used for multiplication if you need it. We're going to use factors again. That's a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or expression evenly. There's no remainders. And then the products, it's the answers when 2 or more values are multiplied together. We're going to be using the placement table or the place value chart. We're going to be multiplying, dividing by 10. And the first number we're going to be doing is 367 times 10. I want you to take the time to go ahead and get the answer. I'm going to pause the video here. Pausing in 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Glad to see those answers. Let me go ahead and get to my flex cam so we can work this out. We have 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 7 ones. And I'm going to multiply it times 10. So I know that if I do that, I put a 0 in the tens place, and I know that the digit 7 is going to move over, and the 6 is tens is going to move over to the hundreds, and I know that the hundreds is going to move over to the thousands. So now I have the answers 3,670. Hopefully that's all what you all got on there too. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. Let's see what this slide tells me. All right, so I multiply it times 10. So it's going to be moving it over 1 spot. All right, so next we're going to divide 367 by 10. I'm going to pause. What do you think the answer might be? Pausing in 3, 2, 1. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yes, let me go over to my flex cam so that we can work this out. This one was times 10. Now this one here, we're going to divide by 10. So we're going to take 367, excuse me there. So we're going to divide by 10, which if I go or add a 0, that means that I'm going to move my place value over 1/10. because I'm dividing by 10. So the 7 is going to come out this way. There's going to be a decimal there. The 6 comes over from the tens to the ones, and from the hundreds to the tens, we're going to get the 3. Now, if you're noticing, we're moving our digits over a whole place. That is correct. Why? Well, one reason is if we have 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that makes 1/10. So if I had 10 tenths, that makes 10, that makes 1/100. So we're carrying it over. Now if we're taking it away, we're going to take one of those away. We're going to be moving them over. We're going to take 10 away. We're going to be moving over into the tenths area. From the ones to the tenths, from the tenths, they become 1. So it's going to be coming back down. So it works vice versa. All right. So let's go ahead and see what we see here in our slides. Hopefully you got the answer, 36 and 7/10. Now you're going to have a draw it. What I want you to do is go ahead and take about 2 minutes to do this. I want you to work it out first, see if you can get this answer, and then I'll show you, see how well you did. I'm going to pause the video here in 3, 2, 1.